position since February of 2009. He's the immediate past chair of the bicycle subcommittee, has been a member of the BAC for over 30 years, having been appointed by Mayor Tom Bradley. He's also a member of the Los Angeles Police Department Bicycle Community Task Force. He frequently participates in Metro's Bicycle Roundtable and Caltrans District 7 Bicycle Advisory Committee. He's working with Bikeside LA, Life Before License campaign to reform the state's hit and run penalty laws. He's also been an elected member of the Encino Neighborhood Council since 2003 and served as a committee with traffic and transportation. In the 1990, he was elected as director of the Resource Conservation District of the Santa Monica Mountains, a position he's held for 16 years. Over the past 30 years, Glenn has been an officer of a number of environmental and civic organizations, including the Sierra Club, Santa Susana Mountain Park Association, and several city park advisory committees. For 24 years, he's worked at California State University Northridge in the College of Education as program coordinator. Welcome, Glenn.
Today's theme is sustainability, and this particular segment of sustainability in terms of transportation and bicycle is part of that component. And I think that the timing is really good for that selection. It was mentioned earlier regarding the mayor's recent interest in jump-starting cycling because of what happened to him earlier this year. But also in terms of transportation with Measure R, you may have heard a lot of projects are being considered, including extending the subway to the west side, the Red Line to the west side, and a number of other projects, and to jumpstart those with a plan instead of the 30 years for Measure R monies to accelerate that to get transit on the ground. So I feel the same way about bicycling. There's certain percentage of the money, about $3.2 million per year for Measure R, and a bicycle plan that you'll be hearing about from Jordan coming up from the city of LA, where we should be jump-starting that 30-year plan into a 5-year plan. And the reason I say that is, first of all, there's been a bike plan in LA City since 1977 was the first plan. And in order to get monies from other governmental agencies, you have to have a current plan updated every 5 years. So the current plan was essentially done in 1996 and then just readopted. But there's a number of projects in that 1996 plan that haven't yet materialized, and some of them have materialized rather recently. So, so for example, if you've been on Reseda Boulevard recently, from spring semester to this semester, you may have noticed that there's now bicycle lanes on Reseda Boulevard from Parthenia now up to the 118 freeway. Actually, up to Devonshire. Devonshire North got put in last fall. That was on the 1996 plan, just got